the motorcycle chain, the only chain in the world that can set a man free. Mga rider nakaka-relate dyan. Hi guys, Coach Edsel here from Ride Safe Rider. So for today's vlog, explain ko sa inyo kung paano nyo malalaman kung kailangan nyo ng palitan yung motorcycle chain nyo. Okay, so I'm gonna give you 3 signs that when you need to replace your motorcycle chain. Number 1, and let's get closer here. You need to replace your motorcycle chain if you pull it from the sprocket, okay, hihilahin mo to, if babaklas siya, or if it's gonna have a gap between the chain and the sprocket. So right now, I'm pulling it really hard. Kita mo, it's nice and compact, okay? Number 2 sign that you need to replace your motorcycle chain is if you're here, tapos you're gonna twist this, okay, twist mo siya, if iikot siya. Okay, so if the motorcycle chain would twist, then you definitely need to replace that as well. And the third reason, or the third sign, na kailangan mo nang palitan yung motorcycle chain mo, is kapag ginamit mo siya ng medyo matagal, tuloy-tuloy, medyo matagal, siguro mga 100 kilometers, tapos after nun, inandar mo siya, may ingay siya. Yun, maingay yung kadena. Parang meron siyang tunog na maingay. Kailangan yun, lagyan mo pa ng loop, ng chain loop. But after that, iingay. And then 4. Right, so 4 pala. The fourth sign that you need to replace your motorcycle chain is when it constantly loosens up. Okay, so parati siyang lumuluwang. Okay, panay-linis ka, panay-adjust, tapos after a while, luluwang ulit siya. So, yun, mga signs and symptoms na yun. Okay, so again, number 1, if hihiwalay yung kadena sa sprocket. Number 2, if iikot yung kadena, if meron siyang rotational movement. Number 3, if medyo may ingay siya. Okay, after mo gamitin, umiingay siya. Number 4, last one, is if madali siyang lumuwang. Yan. So, yun yung 4 signs and symptoms na kailangan mo nang magpalit ng kadena, motorcycle chain. Okay? How to clean your motorcycle chain, we'll talk about that next time. Ano yung difference between an O-ring and a roller chain, yun yung next video natin. Okay? So, if you like this video, please do like, subscribe, and if you can share this channel to your friends, because we're all about, diba, safety, knowing how to take care of your bike, and of course meron din tayong mga endo rides. So if you're into that kind of thing, please share the word, guys. Again, this is Coach E of Ride Safe Rider. Thanks for watching.